It's been a roller coaster ride, but you helped sweeten it. We reached far and wide with your support, and we have not forgotten it. 10 wonderful years of service, companionship, togetherness, and love. And on this day of celebration, Just Dogs, India's favorite and #1 pet retail store, would like to sincerely thank our patrons, well-wishers and staff who made this journey memorable. 10 years of possibilities, 10 years of Pawsomeness, 10 years of Just Dogs, where happiness is just 4 feet away.